Yeah, I know. Hit the ball with the bat.
Bat.
Good job.
Ball. Hat.
Playing baseball?
Play.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Baseball game.
Baseball game.
Who's your favorite team? Say the Pirates.
Pirates.
Say go Bucks.
Go. Bucks.
Yeah. Good job. Say strike.
Straight.
You're out. Wow. You're out. Get out of there.
Bat. Head it. Head it.
Hit the ball.
Bat.
Good work, buddy. You're learning about baseball.
Baseball.
Where's the glove? Do you have a glove too? Where's the glove for the ball?
Glove. Ball. Pitcher.
Yeah, the pitcher has a glove. Pitcher, throw the ball. Pitch it.
Hit it.
Yay! Baseball rules.
Bat. Hit it.
We just got back from Asher's. How many games has it been to now? 5?
3.
2 this season.
Oh, wait, last
Bat.
year,
Hit it.
Yeah.
Hit it. Bat.
Bat.
Hit it. Hit it.
Nice work, boy.
Bat.
Wow, cool. Yeah, we took the bike. Did we take the bike to the game?
Bite.
Did you go on a ride tonight?
Light.
Yeah,
Night.
that was fun.
Daddy. Bite.
Daddy,
Daddy's dot.
did Mommy have a bike?
Mom.
Mommy have a bike?
Mommy. Bite. Two.
Did Asher wear a helmet?
Helmet. Asher.
yeah, Asher, you were
Mommy.
safe. That was good.
Helmet.
Asher was safe.
Daddy. Mom. Mommy. Helmet. Two. Daddy. Helmet. Two.
Yeah, we all wore helmets. We all had helmets on.
Hit it. Hit it.
Had-
Bat.
Yeah.
Hit it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
We going to bed soon? Beds?